Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2024 Honda HR-V? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box is located near the battery on the driver's side. It houses fuses that protect critical systems such as the ABS VSA, wipers, horn, headlights, radiator fans, and the electronic power steering. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box is under the dashboard on the driver's side, protecting systems like lights, power windows, and the infotainment unit. Fuse functions and ratings are labeled on the panel cover.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse, fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.